Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Tuesday, January 17th. Time is 11:24 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So here's what's going on. Had a big drop this morning, and unfortunately I missed it. But the footprint said that's exactly what would happen, and that is exactly what happened. Let me see if I can show you what it looks like. All right, here's the cluster. On this bar right here. This is the high volume node right there, smack dab on the one deviation at 5340. My 9 to 19 would have put me somewhere around 49 to 52. Chance I would have had it right on 49 though, and 53.49, and then a big drop. But I missed that trade, so what I'm doing now is looking for the bounce. We're actually in the oversold area now. I am long 10 contracts, 52.60. Just a little bit above, or right here on this 8 moving average, and I'm gonna do some hardcore scalping on this one. I don't expect this to go back up to the one deviation line. The pressure, the down pressure's been extremely great on this one, but we had the original cluster was back here off at 1035, so we what's that, 5270. So I took the 10 ticks, which happened to line right up at the 8 moving average then. So all right, half just came off at 5270, so I'm 5 contracts long at 5260. I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop up to break even at this point, and give me just a second, get this adjusted. Okay, so stop is a break even now at 5260. And what I'm going to do is just scalp one lot off at a time until I run out of either stop gets hit, or I'll just end up out of contract. So, all right, guys, I'll be back and we'll see where we're at. Okay, got half off there. Stop was hit. I am looking at a channel right now, so I think we'll work the bottom extreme of this one. We'll see if we can get around. Well, the bottom extreme way down here. I don't think it's going to get back down that far. Of course, you never know. But looking at this channel, this is just basic technical analysis right here. I'll see if I can get filled back in around 55 or so. So I'll set a limit order there, and if we get in, good. And hopefully we can work it until it breaks out on the up end there. So, okay, let me get that set up, and I'll be back if we get filled. All right, see you soon. All right, guys, so still not in this trade yet. I'm thinking something's going to be happening here really quick, though. We have a divergence going on from here. Let's see if I can draw these lines. I haven't drew them in a while. I have a divergence right there, and right. Whoops, that wasn't right. Let me see here. Delete. Okay, this is a divergence. So, chances are this is going to be pushing on back up after lunch, or coming up here really quickly. So I'd like to get a decent feel. I don't know if it's going to get back down here to 55, so I may just turn it into a market order. As this cluster back here is still valid, and this has been over an hour ago. So I'm going to just continue to watch it for a bit and see if there's going to be some momentum push from some aggressive folks on the ask side. So, all right, guys, I'll be back and I'll let you know where I get in at if I get in. All right, see you back. See you soon. All right, guys, so I am in at 52.59 right here, right there. And now we're just going to see if this divergence actually works out right there. So I'm going to set my, take half off at 52.69. 69, sell 5 contracts. And then I'll set my stop. Yeah, I'll set my stop at 49. So 10 tick stop as well. 52.49. Okay, sell, stop. And that's 10 contracts. Alright, orders are in. Okay, now we're just going to watch and see if we're going to push on up from this point. Alright, be back in a bit. Okay, that took kind of a while for 9 ticks to come off of there. Long 10 contracts, 52.59. I set it up at 60. What is that? 19? Oh my goodness, brain fart. Anyway, long 52.59. Half came off at 52.69. Right here, and still long 5 contracts, and I'm going to move my stop now to, let's see here. Yeah, I'll go ahead and move it to break even at this point, and this is going to be my last trade of the day. This is a lot of work for a little money, and I'd much rather just move it on to the next day. So stop sitting at break even. I'll probably look to pull 2 contracts if we get up off to the VWAP, and I'll adjust my stop to trail behind the 8 moving average and leave it set from that point. And if we get up to 100 ticks, cool. If not, then it'll be okay. So nowhere near profit target today, but not a loss either. So risk management that's the key. It's all about risk management. So all right, guys, I'll be back shortly, and we'll see how we end this trade. All right, be back in a bit. All right, guys, so just been passively watching this. Finally broke to the upside. So now, sorry about that, I had a phone call. Okay, so we broke to the upside, and I am up just under 40 contracts. It's at 52.91 at the moment. I'm gonna see if I can pull 3 contracts off at 99, and I'm going to go ahead and adjust my stop now up. Let's see, I'm in at 59, 69. So that'll lock in 10 ticks for sure. Okay, that's locked in, and I'll see if I can pull 3 contracts off at 99. And I'll let the last 2 run for a little while. I may pull another one off, just kind of gauging it and playing it by ear from this point. All right, guys, I'll be back shortly, and we'll see where we're at. Okay, so this trade is taking forever. Finally got out of 3 contracts, 52.99, 40 ticks. Still long 2 contracts at 52.59 down here. So now at this point, I am just going to adjust my stops. And I'll just try, let's see what I'll get out of 59. I'll move it on up another, let's see, 79. That will be set. Yeah, I'll move it up 79 for lock in 20 ticks. And just kind of let the rest play out. I'll pull off another contract right around 53.19. We'll see if we can get up there. And then I'll just let the last one ride, see if we can pull 100 ticks out of it or not. So, I don't ever trade this late. It is 2:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I'm normally done or wrapped up, around noon. But because I missed this big drop, just trying to salvage a few points for the day, and, actually it's going pretty good right now. So probably, maybe $1,000 short of profit goal. I'm not sure. I don't calculate that stuff, but we'll see what happens. So, all right, let me get this adjusted, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna change things up just a hair. We're actually in the overbought area, and volume is dead. It's just really falling off. So I'm gonna set these last two contracts up as a OCO, and I'm going to leave my stop set at 52.79 to lock in 20 ticks, and then I'm going to set my final take profit at 53.09 right here on the 7 deviation line. And one of those two things that happen, maybe. If it decide to move a little bit, we'll see. So, all right, this is going to be my last takeoff, so this will be either a hit or miss, so we'll see what happens. But otherwise, it's been an okay trade. Been able to recoup some of that from that solid divergence that we had right here, and rode it all the way up. Pretty much just a straight shot heading north. So, all right, I'm gonna set that up, and I'll be back with the final update. See what happens. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Stop was hit at 52.79. And I'm out of the trade now. So, pulled 40 ticks out of it, I believe. So, which is okay. A lot longer than I like to trade, but it still worked out to be profitable. So, all right, I'm going to wrap this video up, and we will see you next go around. All right, thanks for watching.